Jasmy, that's going to be the first one we're taking a look at here. And this one's back down at its level down here, back down at about 0.01, right where all this volume came in last time, and it got this big rip up to 30 cents. That was a 3,000% gain. Right now, I think it's an excellent time to be dollar cost averaging Jasmy. Right, if you're long on this, I've heard this is the Japanese Bitcoin. Again, we're way down here on the indicator. Okay, so there's nothing to worry about. Right now, you just turn that dollar cost averaging on, you back the truck up, and you start loading it up. I really, really like this chart, folks. And I'm going to actually move this up to the favorites list as well. I don't know what this is. I got to do some more research. It looks like you can get it on Binance, but I'd use the current support at 5 cents, and I'd be dollar cost averaging here as long as it holds this level. But again, up and to the right, folks. Up and to the right. Higher high, higher high, higher high. What do you think is going to happen next? I would like to see what this ranks in as a market cap, actually, on coinmarketcap.com. Let me actually just show you guys how I look at these coins real quick. The fundamentals of how I study these. APRA, or ARPA was the ticker. So this one currently ranks number 381, folks. This is, okay, if you're watching this video, this is probably my favorite coin so far. Very, very low market cap, right? Nobody knows about this one yet, folks, but we know about it. And we know the chart is very, very, very strong, right? If you got it on this last green dot, you were at 3 cents, pumped all the way up to 30 cents. That's 1,000% on your money, folks. Tell me where I could buy this. Actually, I can just go down here and look. You could buy it on Binance. You could buy it on the Mandala exchange, the BitGet, the BingX, all these exchanges. I got to figure out where to buy this. Look at Coinbase. Look, tell me. Somebody hit me in the court and tell me where I could buy ARPA. I would love to know, and I'd love to start a position here, folks. I like ARPA. Just the technicals are very, very strong. Up and to the right, up and to the right. Exactly what we are looking for on this chart. We're looking at stealth phase. This is where we want to be entering. Okay, this is where we want to get in. We don't want to get in when we're still going down. We want to literally see this stuff go sideways for 2 to 3 weeks, like you saw on some of these days, like you saw on File. Look at that. Sideways action. We're just going sideways, right? Stealth phase. That's what they call it. Nobody's talking about it. Nobody's interested in it. But look who's getting in. Smart money's getting in at this stage. Okay, smart money is the people who make the big money. They get in here and they sell up in this area. Okay, this is where we want to be loading up. We want sideways action. We want consolidation. We don't want capitulation. UOS. This is one of my favorite metaverse tokens. We got this one from the Metaverse Scan. Again, folks, up and to the right, up and to the right. Super, super strong chart. I've been talking about this one for the last couple of weeks. You guys know that. And it's back up here at the top of its range at the moment at 145. So we got to see what it does at this level. If it sells back off at 73 cents, get the plane, back the trucks up. Right, we're loading this one up. But that green dot tells me otherwise. It tells me that this thing doesn't want to come back down here to 73. If it breaks over 145, I look for it to hit 250. Okay, but again, we've been talking about this for 3 weeks now, folks. Very, very strong. Up and to the right, this is exactly what you want to see. It's called Ultra UOS. I don't even know where we could buy it. I think you could buy it on KuCoin, it looks like. And again, I'm putting this one up on the favorites, folks. And just understand it could be a little volatile here, but that green dot is very, very bullish on a metaverse token like Ultra.